In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by logging into your LinkedIn account. You'll want to enter your credentials to access your homepage. Once you're in, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, look towards the top of the page for the menu bar. You'll find a section labeled For Business. This is where you can access different business-oriented functionalities. You can either hover your mouse over it or click it directly. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you should select the Admin Center option. This area will give you access to the management tools for your subscriptions and account settings. The next step is to navigate to Purchases. If there's a notification regarding payment or subscriptions, you can click on that. Otherwise, simply look for the Purchases category from the Admin Center. Clicking on Purchases will bring up a list of all your active subscriptions. At this point, you're looking for Sales Navigator Core among your active purchases or subscriptions. It should be listed, so find it and click on it to access its settings. Now comes the critical part, canceling your subscription. Look for the option labeled Cancel Subscription. Clicking on this option begins the official cancellation process, so make sure you're ready to proceed. After you've clicked Cancel Subscription, LinkedIn will prompt you with a confirmation window. This is an important step to ensure you really want to go through with the cancellation. When you see this window, click Continue to Cancel to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. Remember that it's essential to keep track of your subscriptions to avoid unexpected charges, so regularly check your account settings. If you have any further questions about managing your LinkedIn subscriptions or other features, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.